Hello there, welcome back in today's tutorial. In this vlog, I'm going to show you how you can simply administer omeprazole sodium for injection 40 milligram together with dextrose 5%. So this is dextrose 5% infusion. So in today's video, I just want to show you a step-by-step method in which you can simply administer dextrose 5% together with omeprazole sodium for injection. So first, let me start by performing the IV cannulation. Let me perform the IV cannulation first. So let me perform the IV cannulation. Make sure you do a lot of suction for the vein to be feasible for you. Then what you do, you have to clean the vein with the hand sanitizer. Make sure you clean the vein first with the hand sanitizer. Then you allow the skin to dry first. Then you get IV cannulation, that is 22 gauge cannula. Ensure that you remove the cannula from its packaging. Then you have to attach the wings first. Then you attach the cannula, you fix it in position. Then make sure you remove the cap of the cannula. So this is how you are going to perform the IV cannulation. Make sure you use your thumb to retract back the skin, the vein to be intact for you for easier placement of the IV cannula. So this is how we are going to proceed. So you can see there's a flashback in the jump of the cannula. So you pull back the needle slightly. You can see there's a secondary flashback. Then you advance the cannula deep into the vein. What you do, you release the tunicle first. Then you apply pressure on the tip of the cannula. You remove the needle from the cannula. Then make sure you cap the cannula. Then what you do, make sure you dress the cannula. You get adhesive tape. Make sure you dress the cannula for you to secure it. So this is how you're going to dress the cannula. Then what you do, you get first the omeprazole sodium for injection. Make sure you remove the drug from the packaging. So before you administer, ensure that you have checked the expiry date of the drug before you start administering the drug to the patient. So you remove the syringe from the packaging. Then what you do, you get the sterile water for injection. You have to draw the sterile water for injection from the plastic vial. So first, make sure you reconstitute the omeprazole sodium for injection. Then you get the vial containing the white powder for the omeprazole injection. Then you transfer all the sterile water for injection into the vial for you to dilute the drug. Make sure you shake the vial gently for the drug to dissolve completely, containing no visible or suspended particles in the vial. Then you inject the needle into the vial to remove any air bubble. Then now you can withdraw the drug from the vial. You will feel a lot of pressure when you are withdrawing the drug. Ensure that you withdraw all the drug from the vial. Then make sure you remove any air bubble from the syringe. Now I can administer the drug to the patient. Make sure you apply pressure on the tip of the cannula. You remove the cap of the cannula. You insert the syringe into the cannula. Then you administer safely to the patient. Then when you finish, make sure you remove the syringe from the needle, from the cannula. Then make sure you cap the cannula. Then now I proceed administering the dextrose 5%. So what you do, make sure you get IV infusion set. You remove it from the packaging. Then what you do, make sure you close the roller clamp. Then you remove the cap of the infusion set. Make sure you insert the infusion set into the IV infusion. Then make sure you squeeze the jumper. Then what you do, now you remove any air bubble. Make sure you remove any air bubble first. Ensure that first you remove any air bubble. Then you hang the IV infusion on top of a fence. Make sure you connect the infusion set into the cannula. Then what you do, you open the roller clamp for the IV fluid to run. So this is how you are going to administer any IV drug medication at home. Thanks for your watching.